Hello friend, how we can get a free screen recorder in Windows 10. So first of all I need to open a start, then type like game space bar. So need to be of Xbox game bar. So this is a free screen recorder of Windows 10, and also you can sort like windows+G, so it will automatically open. Then how to start, then need to be click here start. So start your video recording. So let's start. So here we are starting the video. So now it's started, and audio is also enabled. So let's stop and check. So our video will show here, capture is showing like, so one dialog here. It not showing anything because we have opened the desktop. First we need to open any anything like anything you can open here. So we have opened this and putting shortcut windows G, and then start again. It started and audio enabled. Then now it's recorded the screen. Then so now I am stopping the video. It's our video has been recorded. So now we'll open the video saved in under video capture folder. So this is a video. So this is a okay. Thank you all for joining my video.